I'm Geet. Welcome to our show Career Analysis, brought to you by millionlights. Well, today we will be discussing about some unconventional careers that are totally offbeat. Are you a genuine animal lover with an eye for creativity and affection for animals? Are you able to handle and interact with animals well? Do you possess the stamina, patience, and can you put in the hard work for the well-being of pets? Well, if you are interested in all these things, then pet groomer is the best career option for you. Basically, pet groomers are animals' beauticians. They work with animals and enhance their hygiene and appearance using a variety of grooming techniques. Pet groomers usually groom dogs and cats, sometimes other animals such as rabbits, horse, birds, guinea pigs, hamsters, etc. Pet groomers take professional care and maintenance of pets' health and well-being. Pet groomers trim and style, shape, brush, comb and camouflage the defects on animals' coats to make them look good and help them stay healthy. They also perform anal sac cleaning, conditioning, shampooing, bathing, blow drying, perfuming and finishing. Some pet groomers give special pampering for pets such as hair coloring, birthday and festival makeovers, aromatherapy massage, clipping and styling. They also groom the pets for various events, competitions and shows. They also clip nails, clean ears and examine animals for fleas, ticks and other health problems. Pet groomers are proficient with a variety of combs, brushes, electric clippers and grooming shears. Pet groomers are halfway veterinarian. When groomers notice a medical problem such as ear or skin infection, they alert the pet owner for any possible healthcare issues. Some groomers recommend treatments for general problems like ticks, fleas and mites. They also provide pet-related services like boarding and lodging, dog training, guard dog and handlers, home bathing, fish aquarium and servicing, and pet transportation. Pet groomers face many challenges as they are not sure how the pet will behave. They have knowledge of different pet breeds. Pet groomers work in kennels, pet salons, veterinary clinics, animal shelters, or even pet supply stores. They also work independently as freelancers in an animal grooming salon. Some of them have mobile pet spa business where they attend home calls and provide door-to-door pet grooming service. Sometimes, some groomers even opt for the profession of lecturing or training of animal grooming, or even start their own pet grooming school. Pet groomers also operate through pet e-commerce portals to give their services. Now, let me tell you about some professional and successful pet groomers. Sanjeev Kumar of Scooby Scrub, Yashbans, Kennel and Fuzzy Wuzzy Pet Styling, Kashika Arora of Kashika's Pampered Paws, Urmila Dabholkar of Tail Waggers. The pay packages for groomers depends upon the reputation of the groomer equipped with their business, customer service and the number of pets they can groom in a day. Self-employed groomers usually charge fees per hour or per appointment. Their charges vary according to the size or breed of the animal and the work involved while grooming. A fresher in pet grooming can get a minimum salary of Rs 10,000 to Rs 25,000 per month. With quality work, knowledge, creativity and skills, they can earn up to 30,000 rupees to Rs 50,000. Nowadays, many people are bonding more with pets and adopting them to add happiness to their lives due to their love for animals and for the need of a companion. And they are willing to pay any price to keep their pets happy. This profession is also gaining more popularity as pets have become a part of social status and pet shows. So, I'm sure you must have gained good knowledge about this career. In our next show, we will come up with yet another offbeat career path. So, stay tuned to Million Lights. For more such information and interesting shows, please log on to our website millionlights.org. Additionally, you can find Million Lights on Facebook. Our Twitter handle is million_lights1 and do find Million Lights1 on Instagram. You can see more videos like this by subscribing to our YouTube channel Million Lights ORG. We are also available on mobile TV apps like Asianet, Yep TV and JioTV. You can watch our TV channel across our partner ecosystem Den Manoranjan and Next Generation cable networks. For any queries, information or feedback, feel free to write to us at support@millionlights.org or give us a missed call on 912230778274. So goodbye for now, but see you soon and keep watching Million Lights.